Yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah, yeah. We in the pew.
We in the what? We in the what?
We in the Vic.
Yeah. What do they call this place? The boiling what?
Boiling pot.
The boiling what?
Boiling pot.
I can't hear you. The boiling
Boiling
what?
pot.
Okay.
That's right.
Yeah.
So one of the, let me say something.
Mine was how?
Yeah, so the other night we were talking about preparations one needs to put into consideration before entering into marriage.
Yeah.
And one of them is coming to the boiling pot. I mean, you need just to relax, you know, because when you come to this place, I can guarantee you your mind is going to be freshened up.
Yeah.
It's a good way to just relax yourself and just let nature speak to you. And at that point, you can be able to come up with brilliant ideas.
Yeah, and
brilliant ways of how you can
just the
prepare.
idea of appreciating how great God is.
I mean,
like this place is wonderful. I mean, like the geographical features, it makes you actually realize how great our God is. And
trust me, when you come here, you take a moment of silence and just appreciate the wonders of God.
Yeah.
I mean, this is a wonder. This is a beauty which cannot be described by any word.
No.
Trust me. You can see the hand of God at work through this creation.
Yeah.
I can guarantee you that.
Yeah.
Wow.
Look at that.
Look at the rocks, the mountains.
Yeah, look at
There's a river and adjacent to it,
the
there's a
water there.
mountain.
You see, like all that beauty right there. Look, if you look at how all those waters are pouring out like that. Look at that. That's amazing. Look at the water. All that water going that direction. It's all just describing the greatness of our God. And why should anybody think that you ever suffer in life or be poor or be sick in life when your God, our God is as great as this, that He could create something so big and marvelous like this? Let's start off. Is this the best place?
This is the end point to the boiling. So I want us to now see the falls. I'm going to Zimbabwe. That's the only view they have.
Serious? So those guys up there are from Zimbabwe?
Yeah, that's Zimbabwe. So my name is Wapai.
Oh. Let me try and zoom them. Those up there.
That's Zimbabwe.
Also, Wana Baku Zimbabwe. Wana Baku Zimbabwe, Baletamba. Mbata Baletamba. Balekwaika zoom, balekwaika binoculars.
Wana Baku Bongo Tabakwata Victoria.
Oh my goodness. And I hear that Zambia is the best, has the best view of the Vic Falls.
60% of this natural wonder is in Zambia.
Wow.
Let's go, sir.
Look at that. Look at that. look. Look. Look guys, this is amazing. This is amazing. Look at that. Look at that. This is awesome. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at that. Look at that. Woo. What do you want to say, guys?
Hi.
What do you want to say?
Vitoria Falls. We're having fun, guys.
Yeah.
You can't be a Zambian and yet you've never been here.
Yeah.
You should be ashamed of yourself.
Yes, you should be ashamed of yourself. I hear there are some women stay in Livingstone and yet they've never come to the big falls.
At 4 now, I'm here. I don't know, honestly.
You can't pay at Kulkiraka at 12 quarts.
12 quarts.
12 quarts or so on and so on. Yeah, yeah! My God! Oh, look at that! Look at that! Awe, chalo wali wa mnyazoa. Chalo wali wa. Watu. Youth area hapa Mtwani. This view is breathtaking. My God. Hi. Fast. Fast. Thank you. Akupanga ko kairi kumaya. Ma movement. Wachurera hapa. Okay. Yeah. This one Milan. Here's another beautiful view. Let me capture. Yeah, hold the camera. It's already viewing in video.
Okay.
So just shoot me. Don't move. Just.
The phone is able to capture it.
Yeah. Now you take me some photos. There's this. I wanted to do this.
Good.
There's something there.
Okay.
Something there. the way the water is appearing. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh! What a great guy. Let's come. Now when I come there, Monica Mushi. Hey, now. Stop your guy. Now video, huh? That is the wonder, my friend. Did you pay the fuel? That, look at that. Look at all that water that's there. Oh, that is good. That is good. Then back up bridge, I want to capture a picture in the background, the rainbow would appear. Hold up, hold up. Oh, that's train airport. La buena, chico. Yeah. Do a gunshot kind of posture.
A what?
A gunshot.
Gunshot?
Yeah. Yeah. Hey, the knife. Oh yeah, capture that. So this is what they be calling the knife bridge. So we're gonna walk right down here with my man Ozzy. Yeah. No that bakale mitinya chapa knife bridge paratinya. Turenya ntapoifu hapa turenya ntapoifu. Tumonenga paratinya pa knife bridge hapa pena. Epo twala pita hapa pena paratinya. We pass scary. Yeah. So we'll pass and you guys will be privileged to see. Yeah, so right there. Oh, yes, that was Bakopeni. Hi. The three of us, sir. Oh, the three of us. 4, Not pakalemi be part panaifi bridge atchan atpala tinya panaifi bridge. Kutinya kwisa uko tule pita panaifi bridge hapo. Hapo wapita Mr. Ozi panaifi bridge. Look at that. Look at that. Katauta shati le seko hapa. Niskatuishi vese hapa. Mona. Look at that. Look at that. Woo! Ha. Chalo bali wa mya muntu andi. Chalo bali wa mya bayawe. Vale sabali wa mya chalo. Mono kuame chalo ewe. Mono kuame chalo. Woo! Corra balika man. Sorry. Video. You are too fast. How? Bro. Look at that. Woo. So proud that they go
Yeah, it's A to the GE.
M Beats Generation Music.
Check. So lit, you made me a lighthouse. That city on a hill that shine bright. Your word, my soul, that swing hard. You're my honey, my sweetheart. Hey, you the reason I wake up. Put a smile on my face, no makeup. Your love with me, don't break up. I'll brag all day about your love. Hey, where you love me like nobody does. With you I feel brand new, fresh, so sweet like Caddy Berry. Listen Ampala, listen Ampala, listen Ampala, listen Ampala. Pari fyonse fyo mwampela, kanta she, kamita she. Pari fyonse fyo mwampela, kanta she, kamita she. Pari fyonse fyo mwampala, kanta she, kamita she. Pari fyonse fyo mwampala, kanta she.